Browse any online community dedicated to the modern job hunt, and you will find applicants consistently describing the process with the exact same phrase: humiliation ritual. A primary driver of this exhaustion is the ghost job epidemic. Companies keep thousands of online listings active with zero intention of hiring, simply to signal growth to investors or harvest personal data. Applicants spend months sending their resumes into a literal void. To navigate this void, candidates now use AI to generate polished CVs designed specifically to bypass automated keyword filters. In response, recruiters use AI to filter those same resumes. Global recruitment technology has created an arms race of diluted relevance. This loop of automated creation and automated rejection does not simplify hiring. It ensures that human talent remains isolated from actual opportunity. This disconnect is most visible in the Gulf Cooperation Council, or GCC. Driven by aggressive economic visions like Saudi Vision 2030, the region's labor market has entered a state of high-velocity demand for specialized talent. Yet, the region is currently defined by a recruitment paradox. Despite the hiring boom, employers report that they are drowning in CVs while remaining starved for talent that fits their specific needs. Forcing one-size-fits-all software from global hubs onto a bilingual, high-velocity market creates so much friction that regional hiring pipelines eventually collapse under the weight of mismanaged data. To manage the surge of applicants, GCC firms rely on Applicant Tracking Systems, or ATS. These are the algorithmic gatekeepers responsible for parsing every resume before a human recruiter ever sees a name. These platforms possess a fatal technical flaw. They were never designed to accurately parse right-to-left Arabic text. Because the software attempts to read left to right, it struggles with Arabic, frequently inputting an English email as the candidate's first name. This 34% error rate automatically rejects qualified candidates for missing required fields, simply because the system couldn't find the existing data. Regional talent is not being filtered out for a lack of skill, but because the imported global software is culturally and linguistically illiterate. Beyond technical errors, Western software ignores the primary engine of Middle Eastern hiring, wasta, or informal social capital. In a region where trust-based referrals are the gateway to 70% of all roles, anonymous CV portals are often the least effective way to get hired. Since global platforms ignore these trust networks, candidates have migrated to a hidden market, a fragmented ecosystem of local WhatsApp and Telegram groups where the real hiring happens. Solo developers have identified this cultural blind spot as a primary market opportunity. They are bypassing corporate job boards to build tools that help candidates navigate this informal economy, specifically by mapping the local networking groups that global software misses. These developers leverage the emotional toll of the job hunt to drive growth. By visualizing the statistics of the struggle, tracking every ghosted application and interview rejection, they provide the social proof candidates need to validate their effort in a broken market. This shift is supported by a change in business models. Instead of expensive monthly SaaS plans, creators offer $7 micro-subscriptions that provide premium access for just 1 week, matching the temporary, high-intensity nature of a job search. The failure of corporate hiring platforms has birthed a viral tech economy. This niche thrives not by fixing the global system, but by diagnosing its failures and gamifying the experience for the people trapped inside it. The reason high-growth markets are starving for talent is not a lack of human skill, it is a shortage of technological translation. The future of job tech is a pivot toward precision over volume. The goal is shifting from applying to 1,000 random listings to identifying 5 roles with a 90% success rate based on cultural and regulatory fit. This requires precision AI, systems that natively handle bilingual optimization, track local nationalization quotas, and account for the multicultural dynamics of the GCC workforce. For a decade, the recruitment industry attempted to make hiring scalable by automating the human element out of the process. In doing so, it stripped away the exact context that makes a candidate valuable to a local employer. If global algorithms fail because they refuse to learn local context, what other massive digital systems are breaking because they refuse to read the room?